Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this video I will introduce you to a new software developed at my lab. We call it NAMD Automator, which is a user-friendly graphical user interface designed to simplify the process of molecular dynamics simulation by creating configuration files and automate the simulation with simple form-based tabs. Now the application of MD simulation are included but not limited to fields like medicinal and drug chemistry, computer aided drug design, pharmaceutical chemistry, and many more. MD simulations offers to model the motions involved in the biomacromolecules like proteins, lipids, nucleic acids. Therefore, such insights on the movement and interaction of atoms and molecules over time offers unprecedented insights of therapeutic significance. NAMD is one of the widely used software for running these simulation, which is known for its scalability, speed, and efficiency when it comes to large molecular systems. However, setting up a typical simulation in NAMD usually requires crafting configuration files for each stage of conventional molecular dynamics simulation. These steps might include minimization, heating, equilibration, and production stages. Therefore, creating a detailed workflow for generating the input files, deciding what should be the content of these configuration files can be tricky. Moreover, how to execute the NAMD in command line interface can be challenging for users who are not familiar with scripting or command line tools and command line environment. So keeping all these facts in mind, we developed NAMD Automator to make the process easier and more accessible. So this NAMD Automator guides the user through each step of simulation such as minimization, heating, equilibration and production through an intuitive tabbed interface. So this tool helps avoid common errors in creating files and syntax error while running the simulation. So in this software, the process is automated and the user will be able to focus more on the scientific goals rather than setting up the technical glitches. So in this video, I will walk you through on how to download, install and use NAMD Automator effectively. But before we go into details of downloading and installing, let us talk about what are the system requirements that are essential for the efficient working of this software. So the current version of NAMD Automator is designed to work efficiently in Windows operating system, and there are a few major requirements for successful installation of this software. The very first requirement being that we develop this software using Python version 3.13, and hence we recommend installing the version above 3.13 for the best user experience. Second, uh, NAMD should be already pre-installed on your PC, and latest version of multi-core NAMD executables are desired. So what I mean is that pre-installed NAMD should be present in your C drive. Well, say for example, it is mandatory to have this path. Like in C drive, you should copy all the NAMD files like this, so that the path of NAMD2 program should be like C NAMD and then NAMD2. Now, if you intend to use GPU enabled version of NAMD, then appropriate CUDA libraries are needed to be installed with graphics cards like NVIDIA. So this was second requirement. The third requirement is a Windows operating system that is compatible with Python version 3.13. We recommend Windows version 11 and above for the best user experience. The fourth and most important prerequisite is that your system should have at least 4 GB of RAM. We recommend 8 GB RAM, and the latest generation i7 processor is recommended for fast NAMD calculation. Well, now as you know what are the prerequisite for this software, now let us proceed with download and installation. We have uploaded this NAMD Automator, and we distribute NAMD Automator through SourceForge website. So you can go to Google and search for SourceForge website, and go to the very first link that pops up. It will take you to the SourceForge website, and in this search window you can search using the keyword NAMD Automator. And once you reach the home page of this NAMD Automator, you can download the executables of NAMD Automator using this files tab. And in this file tab we are providing the executive file and the user manual. I would highly recommend that before you start using this NAMD Automator, you should go and at least go through this user manual once. So let us download NAMD Automator on your PC. You can simply click it. It will begin shortly. As it says, the download will begin shortly. Now depending on the speed of the internet that you have, it might just take a few minutes. Just be patient while it gets downloaded. Just a minute, just a minute. It is taking unusually long. Just wait for a while. Okay, once it is downloaded, you can check out where it has been downloaded. Just copy the executive installer on your desktop. Maybe I will paste it over here. Now since this is a traditional installer, all you have to do is to double click and follow the steps for successful installation. That is what you need to do. After double clicking, it would ask if it wants to install it. Of course, the very first page that will pop up is the license agreement. You need to accept this license agreement. Click the next button. Maybe we have provided a page that would create a desktop icon. Just hit click next, and the install button will get the software installed, right? So once you get this thing, I have already launch, or you can say I will not click this NAMD launch automator button. And once you click on this finish button, NAMD automator will be installed on your computer with the with the NAMD automator shortcut being produced on your desktop just like this. So once you finish it, that's it, my friends. You have successfully installed NAMD Automator. In my subsequent videos, I will now tell you as to how do you create or how do you obtain the files that are necessary to be used for NAMD Automator, and subsequently I will also demonstrate how is that you set up and run NAMD simulations using NAMD Automator. This is all, my friends. Thank you for your kind listening.